Just a quick follow-up. Here are the trades to the long side that have occurred after taking this trade that I recorded live. You can see that going long, as mentioned, on almost every trade that happened after that was a winning trade. So after this trade here, there was 1, 2, 3, and now this is the fourth trade to the long side. I'm going to take this trade long as well, just to show you the power of the sonic system.
Order filled.
Hello traders, today is Monday and we have sort of a roller coaster here as we end the shutdown, government shutdown, and the market now is beginning to creep a little bit higher. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Let me do a little bit of review here on the E-mini S&P using the sonic system. The market opened up and we have all of these long signals indicating there's a lot of euphoria as Monday begins, and then the market began to go down, and there's a lot of opportunities here to sell it. And as you can see now, the market is turned around. So as a trader, I'm looking for consistency. Where am I going to go long and why? So number one, we have a few opportunities here that have already occurred to the long side. So this is good. As we can see, the market has shifted direction up. Number two, I look for the risk to reward ratio. Look at the stop and look at the target, and then realize whether or not I'm able to get into a trade with a smaller risk compared to the target I'm trying to achieve. Number three, look for a very specific entry. I like limit orders. You can get in on market. Just remember, market orders have slippage. So let me show you here as an example to get into a long opportunity, because I've seen the market go higher. And not only higher, it's made new highs, and we have all of these long trades on the sonic system. So here's an opportunity here to go long. We're going to go long.
Order filled.
And I have the stop and I have the target. Remember, I'm really trying not to risk more than I'm trying to make. So the risk reward ratio is really important. In this example here, I'm not obviously getting in exactly where the sonic told me. I'm just making a very small profit. Consider this a quick scalp to the upside. How much money can I make here on this trade? Not too much, about $75 per contract. But the idea is, if it's fast and within the next minute or two, I can grab $75, $100, then trail a stop. This, as a trader, is absolutely okay to do, but don't risk more than you have to on a trade like this. Had I entered here right when the signal appeared, obviously, there's a lot more money to be made there, double the amount.
Target filled.
And you can see the target was hit. Let me add the text and marker here. Very simple trade. I'm looking for the next long opportunity. The last few trades were all long. So look at all the W's that we have. And to me, now, unless things change, unless I start seeing losing trades, the market reversing, it's different, right? We've changed now, heading back down. But as far as I'm concerned, unless things have changed, I'm going to be a buyer, just waiting for that sonic signal to fire off. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com and check out our Black Friday sale that has just started this week. Visit DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Just a quick follow-up. Here are the trades to the long side that have occurred after taking this trade that I recorded live. You can see that going long, as mentioned, on almost every trade that happened after that was a winning trade. So after this trade here, there was 1, 2, 3, and now this is the fourth trade to the long side. I'm going to take this trade long as well, just to show you the power of the sonic system.
Order filled.
I'm going to adjust the target, and now again we're making more on this trade than we are to the losing side if it goes against us. If those of you who are DayTradeToWin members who have the sonic, I believe that after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades, I always recommend that you stop. There's no reason for you to keep on trading. It's unnecessary, really, because we're just subjecting ourselves to risk. But at this point, One last trade here for the day, 1 o'clock New York time. Let's see how this turns out. And for those of you who are asking, this is $150 per contract a trade. If you have 2 contracts, that'd be a $300 trade, and so on.
Target filled.
Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.